Hey there, join me sat on the floor thinking about figs. So figs, amazing. Not many of us in the UK really eat them. They grow really well. So I've got 3 minutes and take you through propagating your own figs. Something that I've only just learned, but we get in there and I love figs. So this is a fig tree that is about 6 weeks old, done from a cutting of about 6 inches, maybe a little bit longer, from a brown turkey fig. The brown turkey fig is supposed to be the best one in the UK, but the reality is there's loads of other fig varieties. Do your research, lots of them are hardy, and actually lots apparently fruit a lot better than this, and they all propagate the same. So that's 6 weeks old. First lesson for me to share with you here is that's also 6 weeks old. Don't plant them upside down. That's what I did. It's just recovering, but it spent the first 4 weeks of its life upside down with its bottom up, so trying to put air roots out, and its top down, trying to put leaves out through the bottom of the pot. Not really helpful. Really easy process, and it's a bit late now. So first ones did mid-March, next ones, which I'll show you more of in a second, did mid-February. And what's important to me in this video is I don't just show you what I do, I show you how that's progressed. So I can show you one that we do now, one that's 3 weeks old, one that's 6 weeks old, and is a plant, and I've already shown you actually. So you get a feel for not just the what you do at the start, what it looks like, but some progress, because that helps. So this is late in the season, and this is the only cutting I can still get off my fig tree outside. It's tiny, it should be longer, it should be the size of a pencil or bigger, but for demonstration purposes, I think it works. So what we've got here is pint pot. Easy enough, really important, yeah? Clear plastic, you can see your roots, so you know when it's taken or hasn't. The first ones I ever did, I put in black plastic pots. I had no idea whether they were ready or not. Took them out, broke half the roots off because they weren't quite where they should be. So make life easy. When you do this, you'll be able to see the roots coming through the side. And actually, just back to it, these were my first attempt this year. Couldn't see the roots. A lot of them didn't like it when I transplanted them. So all we can do, and all you need, is your cutting, some rooting hormone, some very gritty sort of compost. So this has got some perlite mixed in it. It's nothing special, it's just potting compost. But they like free draining, so you need to make sure is that it doesn't sit in water, because your cuttings will go bad. I've cut this off already. You can see the top, flat cutting, at the bottom, you've got 45 degrees roughly. That maybe helps, I'm not sure. But it does at least help you put it in the soil. So what I'm going to do, as well as that cutting that I've already shown you, I'm just going to take off a little bit of the bark towards the bottom to expose the cambium layer underneath. And that should help the cutting take. So basically, I have got my beautiful watering can and dip it in there. Dip it in the potting compost. Pot, already talked about. You don't have to do this sat on the floor. I'm literally putting it in there till it's about a third to a half the way in. You need to make sure that you've got plenty of these little nodes, little kind of bumps, which is where the leaves will come from, the roots come from, above, but you need 2 or 3 below as well. And then I'm going to water it. So that is all I've done to create that. Nothing magic there. Last part is I got some basic plastic sandwich bag over the top. I'm not sealing it in because I don't want it to be 100% humid in there. But if I put it over the top, creates the humidity, keeps the soil damp without being wet, which gives them our best chances. It needs to now be kept inside. I keep them on a potting bench at the end of the living room, and that works absolutely fine. It's about 18 degrees in here. And hopefully in 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, you will have something like this. So I did that exact same process. and that's what you can see. You actually can't quite see the roots through the sides yet, so I know that that's not ready for me to do anything further with. But it does look hopeful. It's putting out these green shoots, so not just leaves. The leaves it might put out because of the residual energy it has, even though we've cut it off. The shoots generally show that it is actually self-sustaining. So keep it mildly damp, but not wet. So that's we've just done 0 weeks, 3 weeks, 6 weeks. Next year, figs.